exhaustion, fear and hope, how frontline workers worldwide are coping during COVID-19 battle. Beads of sweat run down the forehead of a healthcare worker wearing protective gear after she took swabs from residents for a rapid antigen test, amidst the COVID-19, at a residential apartment in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. After attending a COVID-19 patient, a health worker takes a break from her work at a temporary field hospital set up by Médecins Sans Frontières (MSF) during the COVID-19 outbreak in Khayelitsha Township near Cape Town, South Africa. In the picture, health workers help each other as they remove their personal protective equipment after the cremation of the body of a patient who died due to the COVID-19 at a crematorium in Nairobi, Kenya. Healthcare Workers Union participates in a protest asking for quarantine measures to contain the spread of the COVID-19 in San Salvador, El Salvador. A woman health worker of a funeral parlor uses her phone while waiting to pick up the body of a person who died from the COVID-19 outside the San Juan de Dios Hospital in Guatemala City, Guatemala. Wearing face protection amid the COVID-19 pandemic, nurse Oscar Galino from the National Hospital holds the Paraguayan flag during a protest by public health workers outside the Economy Ministry to demand better working conditions and higher salaries in Asunción, Paraguay. A frontline worker in personal protective equipment takes a break while waiting for people to collect samples to conduct tests for the COVID-19 amid the spread of the disease in New Delhi, India. Nurses react as a mariachi band serenades for the medical staff of the Regional General Hospital No. 66 of the Mexican Institute of Social Security (IMSS) as the outbreak of the COVID-19 continues in Ciudad Juárez, Mexico. A medical worker, wearing protective suit and face mask, takes a break at a drive-through testing site for COVID-19 near the hospital in Laval, in Maine Department, France. A healthcare worker holds a fan to cool his colleague after he felt dizzy during a checkup campaign for the coronavirus disease at a slum area in Mumbai, India. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.